Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Today we're going to be learning a simple worship song, Fragrance of My Worship, and we're going to be playing it in the key of C. Alright, so for beginner tutorials, you can check out my website, which is in the description box. And this song is an interesting song, so let's get into it. So it starts with first it was fragrance, then it turned to fire. My worship is my weapon. This is how I win my battle. Alright, so that is the first verse. But for the intro, this is how we're gonna be playing it. I want you to look at it again. So you play a 6 like this, then this is chord 6. Okay, so we play a 6. So then the same thing again. Then you play a 1. So 6, 4, 1. So let's do it again. This is how I win my battle. Alright. Then the song starts on 6. The fragrance of my worship. Now here you can do a passing chord on a 7 before you move to 1. Rose up to the Father. Then you do a chord 4. Noises, thunderings, earthquakes were the response to my worship. Okay, so it was a 6. For the 6, you can play it any how you think it will fit. Okay, so even if it is a minor 9, but let me see. I would rather play it the normal. Okay. Alright, so the fragrance of my worship rose up to the Father. This is a chord 1. Then you do a chord 4. Da, 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 da. Then you move to a chord 2. Da, 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 da. 6, 7, 1. Then you do a chord 4 to a chord 2. Da, 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 da. The fragrance of my worship rose up to the Father. Then here comes the chord, the major 7th chord suspension. Now with this the chord, this is the chord. So what you do is you bring the B here, you lower it, then you remove the 3rd. So the keyboardist played this into 4. So worship rose up to the Father. Where the response to my worship. That's chord 2. Then it starts from chord 1. First it was fragrance. Okay, chord 1. Then you move to chord 2. Then it turned to fire. So this is a chord 2. So first it was fragrance. Sorry. Then it turned to fire. I'm playing my own this way. My worship is my weapon. Chord 5. This is how I win my battle. Chord 1. Okay. So with passing chord, you could even play like like this. Before the fragrance of my worship, but you realize that they start on a 1. Like, first it was fragrance, then it turned to fire. Chord 2. My worship is my weapon. Chord 5. This is how I win my battle. Then when they're starting again, they start on a chord 1. First it was fragrance. Then the second time when they were starting, first it was fragrance. They played a chord 3. Okay. So instead of playing the chord 1 into 2, you could play 6 into 2. That's what I mean. First it was fragrant, then it turned to fire. My worship is my weapon. This is how I win my battle. Instead of starting with 1, we're going to start on a 6. So it's like, it was fragrance, then it turned to fire. My weapon, this is how I win my battle. Then you do the second one. First it was fragrance. There's a chord 3. Then you move back to chord 2. Then it turned to fire. And there you see the you hear the keyboard play. Worship is my weapon. This is how I win my battle. Okay, so let's do a recap of everything that we've learned. We do a 6. That's the intro. Okay, so the fragrance of my worship 6, 7, 1, then 4, 2, then 6. My worship rose up to the Father. Then first it was fragrant, then it turned to fire. My worship is my weapon. This is how I win my battle. And first it was fragrant, then it turned to fire. My worship is my weapon. This is how I win my battle. Okay, then you do. This is how I win. This is how I win. So the chord that you used for the intro, you use it for this part. So 6, 1. So 6, 4, 1. So this is how I win. This is how I win. Ta-da-da-da, 6, ta, 2, upon the air. So the first time you do a 6, 4, 1. Then you do a 6, 2, 1 on the second verse. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da, upon the air. So this is how I win. This is how I win. Alright, so when you finish that, then they start singing the fragrance of my worship rose up to the Father. Where the response to my worship, the fragrance of my worship rose up to the Father. First it was fragrance, okay. Then it turned to fire. My worship is my weapon. This is how I win my battle. Then you hear, sorry. So in a nutshell, it's a 1, 3, 5, 6. So 6, 5, 6. Now I'm talking about the notes, okay? I'm spelling the notes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. So 1, 3, 5, 6, 6, 5, 6. Then you do a 2. You can even slide. So it's like a 1. So it's then after playing that one, they do first it was like on a 1, then it turned to 5. Okay, so you maintain the left 1 and then you move to a 2. Then for the my worship is my weapon, you move to a 7. My worship is my weapon. This is how I win my battle. So first it was 4, then it turned to 5. My worship is my weapon. This is how I win my battle. This is how I win. This is how. Da 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 da. So as you keep on practicing, you'll be fast enough to play. Okay, so most of the times the bass guitar is a little lagging behind. Like then the two of them will play. So I hope this tutorial will help you to be able to play the song. And the song was sung by Dunsin Oyekan. I'm going to be putting the description of the song in the description box also. So thank you for being a part of this tutorial. God bless you.